Back at H-Mart. I need to buy some things for my Korean pantry. I'm gonna be making some more kimchi. Are you guys on there snug? All right. This is a new H-Mart that just opened in Redmond area in Seattle, and I actually really like it because not only is it nice and new and fresh, but like not many people come out here yet because I guess they don't know about it yet. Actually, maybe I shouldn't tell anyone. I'm gonna try something new with my kimchi today. I'm learning about different jangs or jangs. I don't really know how you'd say it. I think it's jangs because you say like gochujang. So I want to put some gochujang in my kimchi, not instead of the Korean chili flake, but in addition to, because I do enjoy like that fermented chili paste. So I'm going to be adding that in as well. I also learned that there's 3 different types of jangs. Some are like similar to miso, and I haven't worked with them yet, so it's like a whole new world for me. Something new I'm gonna try is grating an apple into the kimchi. I've done apple in the past with like this noodle dish that Chef Chris Cho did with me. He like had me blend the apple with Sprite. That was interesting. I don't know if that's a normal Korean way of doing it, like blending apple, but that's how Chris Cho does it. If you don't follow Chris Cho, you should definitely check him out. What are some different ways that you guys do your kimchi? If you happen to be Korean or even have made any Korean recipes, what are some different ways that you guys have done it? Have you done daikon radish in it before? I'm thinking of doing daikon radish in mine too. Definitely carrot. Look at this big motherfucker. Definitely doing that. It's like 5 carrots in one, right? One of my favorite things to do is wander a grocery store. Like even if I don't have a cart on me and I just want something to do, I like to go to a grocery store at night, just wander around and look at different shit. Oh, you know what? There are these things that someone showed to me recently, and I'm addicted now. Where are they? I just know because this is the same packaging. It's these nuts, but they have wasabi on the outside, and they're so good. Oh, I kind of want to try this. Hot spicy chicken almond. That sounds fucking bomb. Let's try that out. But where are the wasabi ones? There's wasabi peas, those are really good. But I want this brand with the wasabi. Weird, they must be out because I don't see them anywhere. They do have a cookie cream almond, which sounds bomb too. I'll probably have to pick that up, why not? Okay. Pyongyang mayo. Can you guys tell me what that is? Pyongyang mayo? I've never heard of that. Is that like Kewpie mayo? Interesting. Okay, gochujang. Typically, you want to find something that doesn't have corn syrup in it. That's what I've been told by lots of my Korean chef friends. Let's see what we got. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna go with the Sempio stuff because that's kind of like the standard brand. I'm gonna go with Sempio. These are the different jangs I was talking about. So there's doenjang. I don't know if I'm saying it right, sorry. I'm so new to Korean cooking. Let me know if there's anything you guys like to make with these types of fermented pastes. Fuck it, let's have a sweet treat. Soft milk bread. I'm trying banana today. I don't like banana artificially flavored things that much, but when it's like a pudding like this, I gotta try it. Let's see, this should just cut open like that. Oh, it's pretty fucking good, huh? I don't know what's on the outside of this. It feels kind of like cornstarch. It doesn't feel like powdered sugar. That's really good. It's just like butter, sugar, straight up. That's bomb. That's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy these grocery walkarounds, whatever you call them. Let me know if you want more of them.